Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super cool. We have a wire terminal cleaning kit. It's got all different accessories here, so many different things. This piece right here, by the way, comes off. It's a nice little handy handle. Grips right on, gives you something to grip onto while you're cleaning. You have pretty much every accessory that you'll ever need for cleaning pretty much any terminal. Set that down. This one, same thing. So many options. Pretty much covers every option that you may or may not need. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.